Welcome to LineSight. Today we will go through the tutorial for Trends screen. This screen contains following types of trends: machine state, debug trend, communication trend, and V-graph. Upon opening the trend screen, machine state trend is displayed as default. This trend shows machine states for observed time period in the form of Gantt diagram where the machine status is displayed using the color that describes its actual status. Description of each status and the assigned color is located in the bottom part of the screen. Moving the mouse cursor over the segment in the Gantt diagram, tooltip shows detailed information for that machine state. This information contains machine name, start and end time of the machine state, and machine state description. Time period can be selected by using the functions zoom in, zoom out, move forward, move backward, and online view. You can select specific date by pressing this button and selecting the desired date. After selecting the date, you can make additional time period adjustments. Default view for the previously selected date is activated by pressing this button. Mouse click on the segment of the Gantt diagram displays ruler and fills table below the Gantt diagram with data for each machine in that time period. Debug trend is opened by clicking on this button. This trend shows machine state when machine goes out of the operational state. It remains unchanged until machine goes back to operational state. Communication trend is opened by clicking on this button. This trend shows communication errors for each machine in the production line. V-graph is opened by clicking on this button. This trend shows desired and actual speed for each machine in the production line. Values can be observed in the table below the trend or in the tooltip, which is displayed by moving the mouse cursor over trend. Mouse click on the button in the upper right part of the screen allows you to choose which dataset will be more noticeable in the trend, thus allowing better visualization. V-graph is set to default view by clicking on the same button again. That is all for today's tutorial. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact us and we will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for your attention and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.